Embarking on the exhilarating journey into the world of cryptocurrency is akin to stepping into a realm where the boundaries of traditional finance are transcended and the future of money is being redefined. In a digital age characterized by innovation and decentralization, cryptocurrency emerges as a beacon of financial evolution, offering not just a new form of currency, but a gateway to unprecedented opportunities. As we delve into the intricacies of what is cryptocurrency and how can we earn money from cryptocurrency, we find ourselves at the crossroads of technological prowess and financial ingenuity, where the thrill of potential rewards intertwines with the need for a nuanced understanding of risks. So fasten your seatbelts as we explore the dynamic landscape of digital assets, uncovering the secrets of this decentralized frontier and discovering the myriad ways one can unlock the doors to financial prosperity. Welcome to the exhilarating universe of cryptocurrency, where innovation meets investment and the future of finance unfolds before our eyes. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, a portmanteau of crypto and currency, represents a groundbreaking evolution in the realm of finance. At its core, it is a form of digital or virtual currency that leverages cryptographic techniques for security and operates on a decentralized network of computers. This departure from traditional currencies, which are typically governed by central authorities like governments and financial institutions, is a defining feature of cryptocurrencies. Instead, they rely on blockchain technology, a distributed and immutable ledger, to secure transactions and manage the issuance of new units. The cornerstone of cryptocurrencies lies in their decentralized nature, wherein no single entity or government holds control over the entire system. This decentralization is facilitated by a network of computers, often referred to as nodes, that work collaboratively to validate and record transactions. The use of cryptography ensures the integrity and security of these transactions, making it extremely challenging for unauthorized parties to tamper with the data. Bitcoin, introduced in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, stands as the pioneer of cryptocurrencies. Often hailed as digital gold, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing users to transact directly without the need for intermediaries. Building on this concept, subsequent cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, introduced in 2015, expanded the scope by incorporating smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, into their platforms. Popular cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have proliferated since the inception of Bitcoin in 2009, giving rise to a diverse ecosystem of digital assets. Each cryptocurrency operates on its own unique principles and features, catering to different use cases and user preferences. Here's a detailed exploration of some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC. Introduction. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most widely recognized. Technology. It operates on a peer-to-peer network using blockchain technology, allowing for secure and transparent transactions. Purpose. Bitcoin primarily serves as a decentralized store of value and a medium of exchange. Ethereum, ETH. Introduction. Ethereum, introduced in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, goes beyond being just a cryptocurrency. It is a decentralized platform for smart contracts and dApps. Smart contracts. Ethereum enables the creation and execution of self-executing smart contracts, facilitating trustless and automated agreements. Ether, ETH. The native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum platform, Ether is used to fuel transactions and execute smart contracts. Binance Coin, BNB. Introduction. Binance Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Use cases. BNB is used for various purposes within the Binance ecosystem, including trading fee discounts, token sales, and transactions on the Binance Smart Chain. Ripple, XRP. Introduction. Ripple aims to facilitate fast and cost-effective international money transfers and cross-border payments. Consensus mechanism. Unlike traditional proof-of-work, POW systems, Ripple uses a consensus mechanism to validate transactions quickly. Litecoin, LTC. Introduction. Created by Charlie Lee in 2011, Litecoin is often regarded as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Technology. It is based on the Bitcoin protocol, but with modifications to achieve faster block generation times and a different hashing algorithm. Earning opportunities in cryptocurrency. Trading. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital assets in the hope of making a profit. Traders analyze market trends, use technical analysis. Mining. Mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Staking. Staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Investing. Similar to traditional investing, individuals can invest in promising cryptocurrencies for the long term. This involves conducting thorough research on the project, its technology, and its potential for future growth. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and token sales. ICOs and token sales are fundraising methods used by new projects to raise capital. Investors can participate by purchasing tokens at a discounted rate during the initial offering. Freelancing and gig platforms. Some platforms pay users in cryptocurrency for completing tasks or providing services. Risks and considerations. While the cryptocurrency market presents promising opportunities for investors and enthusiasts, it is crucial to acknowledge and navigate the associated risks. One of the primary challenges is the inherent volatility of cryptocurrency prices. Market values can experience rapid and unpredictable fluctuations, influenced by factors such as regulatory developments, technological advancements, market sentiment, and macroeconomic trends. This volatility poses both opportunities for profit and risks of significant financial losses, emphasizing the importance of careful risk management strategies. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency represents a paradigm shift in the world of finance, offering new and exciting opportunities for individuals to earn money. Whether through trading, mining, staking, or investing, there are various avenues for those looking to explore the potential of digital assets. However, it is essential to approach this space with caution, conducting thorough research and staying informed about market trends. That's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.